Now, part of doing 3D modelling is making 3D shapes. So far, all we've done is look at how to create 2D shapes. So if I start with a simple rectangle, if I click up on my keyboard to draw on the blue axis, if I click once, I'm going to give it a dimension of 3 meters by 6 meters, press enter. That'll then give me that rectangle just there. Now, if I wanted to turn that from a 2D shape, as it currently is, into a 3D shape, I'll bring my mouse over here. We're going to use our push-pull tool. So what that will do is it will, what we call, extrude that shape from there, and we can pull it and push it upwards. And the way this works, if I put my mouse, my cursor, over this face, as we call it, not the edge, but on this face, you'll see that the colour changes and it's got this blue with the dots on there. If I click, I can then pull that up, and again I can set that height if I need to, so I can say that's going to be 4 meters. So type 4 and then press enter. What that has now done is drawn that 3D shape that has now got a height of 4 meters. If I decided I wanted it to be a little bit shorter, still with my push-pull tool selected, I can bring my mouse onto one of these faces. I can click, make that go down. If I want to maybe pull this face out here, I can pull that out. If I want to go to the back of my model, I can just use my mouse wheel to click in, orbit around, and maybe push that in just like that.